Hey babes, so look what I have here. Okay, it says need a story investigated? Yeah. Contact the ABC7I team, New Chicago. Okay, so do you have a story that needs to be investigated? I sure do. Okay, so what we did down here was I filled it out. Okay, I left. Okay, what I put here is I approved Kanika Jenkins was pulled into the bathroom. I put the URL of the video. Please take notice to the angles of her left foot and legs. She was pulled and dragged into that bathroom. Put my email address. I did not finish putting my phone number. I will in one moment. I'm going to pause you and then come back, and we will be down here to submit where you cannot see my info. Okay, one moment. Okay, and we are back. Oh, it's 10 degrees out. Nice. Hope that's in Chicago and not here. Okay, ready? Oh, mail was successfully sent. All right, we're waiting for a reply. Also, I wanted to give you an update. Kanika Jenkins' sister has not contacted me back about if that is Kanika's voice or not. So, I'm just gonna assume she's busy. You know what I'm saying? Plus it's hard. Who wants to talk about this? So yeah, we'll just wait, okay, patiently. All right, guys. Love y'all. Have a good night.